Hey Disney family, and welcome back to my channel. So I am actually going to do some blind pin unboxings. I acquired these. I have 4 of them, and they're really old pins that you could buy. I wish I could tell you more about them. I don't know a whole lot about them. They're my mom's. She never did them, and she was like, you know what, sure, go ahead, open them. So I asked on my Instagram if you guys wanted me to open these on camera, and sure enough, you guys did. So let's do some unboxings. So we will start with, the red one. And they're just in these containers that, you know, you can get out of like a quarter machine. I don't think they were purchased out of a quarter machine, but you never know. They were bought on Disney property, so they are Disney pins. But let's find out. I have no idea what's in them. Maybe I'll know more information once I actually open them, but let's see. Oh, this is cute. Okay, so let's, hopefully, it says collect all 15 pins. Oh, and it's got all these different types of things on these. It's got all these different guys. And if you look on the back, it's got these two. And I got the middle, this Mickey pin. Let me take it out of the bag. So it says Disney Pin Trading 2007. So I'm assuming these are from 2007. Of course, it's got the Mickey back on the back. Here is Mickey. Isn't that cute? And it's got all his little different expressions. I like him the best because he's like got his hand over them, and then what's going on, Mickey? And confused Mickey, and hello Mickey, and this one. So that's really cute. So that's pretty cool. I'm gonna set that right here. And then let's see what else we've got. Let's do this green one next. Now it says not returnable when opened. So I'm assuming that means these were not bought out of a quarter machine. Oh my gosh. Oh, this is so cute. So I think it makes kind of this square shape. There we go. So I think it makes this square shape potentially. And here is the next one I got. It is not a double, so that is exciting. It is a Minnie Mouse. So that's super cute. And of course she's making her little faces too. I don't know, if I can't decide if this top or the bottom is my favorite, but they're both really cute. So I think that they kind of start to make this shape in some sort of Mickey formation. Yeah. All right, so moving on. It's the blue one. Did you guys ever get these? I mean, I don't know, they're from, it looks like 2007. I never got them before, so. Oh, look, it's Goofy. This is cute. Here, let me show you. It's the same paper, of course, that you guys have already seen this. And then, look at that. It looks like he makes the top of the formation. There's Goofy. And we've got one more. Let's see. So I've got 3 of those formations, but it looked like there were other characters, and it said 15, so there were only 5 on that, on this kind of back one that I was talking about. So we'll see what this next one is. Oh, this is cool. It's not part of the formation. It is this pirate Mickey. Oh, this is cute. Look at him. That's gonna make my mom really happy. She loves pirates. So here is this cute little pirate Mickey. So cute. And I wonder what this little, if you guys saw, there's kind of like a chip on the side of here. And I'm gonna look and see if, oh, okay, so it starts, okay, I get it now. There are 3 different formations. And so there's this formation that looks like Pixar characters. And there's this formation that's like a bunch of different pirates. So there's Mickey Pirate, Stitch, Chip and Dale. Who's up there? Goofy and Tinkerbell. And then it looks like on the back, you've got this Fab Five going on. So that was really fun. Do you guys have any of these pins? I was not a huge pin collector, but my mom was really into it. So I am finding that there are a lot of really cool pins out there. But leave me a comment below if you guys have any of this set or if you're looking for some of this set. But I hope you guys enjoyed this video. If you like this video and you want to see more pin trading videos like this, go ahead and leave it a thumbs up. My mom has hundreds in her collection and I would be happy to share more pins with you. And if you have not joined my Disney family, go ahead and hit that subscribe button. I would love to have you be a part of it. I post new videos every week, and as always, I hope to make your trip just a little more magical. See you guys real soon.